Welcome to Do You Know Your Te Reo? I'm your host, Beardy, and in celebration of Te Wiki o Te Reo Maori, we're running a little bit of a competition, a little bit of a game show here inside the BeardyCurls crew. Our contestants, on the left, we have our rangatira, our boss bitch, Curls. In the middle, the person responsible for every drop of paint in our workshop, Michael. And last but not least, a member of our production team, professional jigsaw puzzle builder, Vanessa! I'll be saying a bunch of words and common phrases in Te Reo Maori, and it's your job to tell me what the word means in English. First person to activate their buzzer, which is tahi, rua, toru, will win a point. Person to answer the most questions overall wins.
But what do we win?
Well, just like any sort of large production, there's big prizes to be won.
50,000. Yo!
Whoever wins will be winning $10 and a pie from the dairy. How does that sound?
That sounds better than nothing.
It's disappointing.
Just to show you that we're a serious game show here, the winner will take away $100 and I'll shout you lunch. What do you reckon?
Love it. Food. Yup.
Are you ready?
Yes.
That's not fair! They're got a tag team.
No. That was mine.
Round one, common words. And just an FYI, some of these words are very, very challenging.
Okay.
Right? Right, first word is Aotearoa.
New Zealand.
What was that? Which answer?
New Zealand.
Yes, that's correct. Good work.
She's got the fucking bang down.
Yeah, she got the base. She's competitive. She wants that $100. All right. Second word is aroha. Whoa!
Love.
Holy shit! Let's go. Can't wait. Number 3. Kai.
Food.
Oh yes, we're on a roll. We're on a roll here.
Up the girls.
Next word. Hangi.
Oh wait, what did you say? Just said it. What did you say?
I don't know what hangi means.
It's out of you two. Hangi.
Food.
I
Oh, sorry.
know what it is.
Tahi. And the ground food? I don't know.
Pretty much, we'll accept that answer. Great work.
What did you say? Honey.
That's not Maori.
Oh, no. Wait, I'm making sure. Okay, but yeah, okay. Up the girls.
Jesus. Tahi. I don't even know the answer.
I don't even know. What did you say? I can't hear you. Are you even there? That's
Hey, put that one out.
Next word. Hikoi.
Tahi.
Walk.
Holy! Next word. Awa.
Tahi. River, lake, water.
It's river. Yeah, good work.
Up the girls.
Next word. Karakia.
Tahi.
Prayer.
Holy! Are you okay, dear mother? Is your buzzer broken, bro?
It's just too fast.
Too fast.
Next word. Moana.
Tahi.
Sea, ocean.
Yes, good work. I want to give away that $100. Next word and final word for this round is maunga.
Tahi. Mountain.
Yes! Woo-hoo, good work. Now I wasn't actually taking notes of who won that one.
We'll go
But
back over the video.
Oh yeah, I can go through the video. We'll see who won that one. All right, round 2, common phrases. All right, same again, buzzer, common phrases in Te Reo Maori. Very challenging, very, very challenging. All right, cool. First phrase. Tēnā koe e hoa.
Toru. Hello to everyone.
That's incorrect.
Toru. Can I say that?
I I haven't worked out this part of the rules. I'm not sure. I'm just making it up. Between you two, would you like? It was tēnā koe e hoa.
Goodbye.
No. Michael, do you want to have it? Since your buzzer's not working, we'll just put the mic here.
Hello.
Oh.
Have a good day.
Don't say New Zealand, bro.
Yes, it is.
I'm going to clip that video.
Father's Day Sunday.
Oh, I have no idea.
Can you use
No
it in
one.
a sentence?
No idea.
Hello.
Well, that is it. Tēnā koe e hoa.
Hello to you. Hello to
Just hello.
one person.
No, it's hello, but e hoa is friend.
Oh.
Hello, friend. Greeting, friend. Up to friend. Yeah. All right. No one wins that one. Next one. Kei te pehe koe.
Toru. How are you?
Yes. Good work. Great work there by Vanessa. Next one is no mai haere mai.
Toru. Welcome.
Holy shit. We're on a roll. Let's go. Next one is mā te wā.
Tahi.
Tariuia.
I was going to say everyone.
Oh, it sounded like a Māori word, actually.
What's the word?
Oh, sorry.
No, like, what's the phrase? I totally
No,
forgot it.
sorry. Yeah, okay.
Mā te wā.
Matiwa, goodbye. Like, to safe travels.
Pretty much, yeah. Good work. Great work.
Matiwa, because that's what they say on the
Yes,
airplane.
see you next time.
Matiwa, safe travels.
Next one. Atamari, eh?
Toru. Good morning.
Holy shit.
Tahi is my word.
And last one, very hard. Kei te pai.
Tahi. Like, ka pai isn't good work. Say, kei te pai?
Which was your final answer?
Ka pai? No, I don't know.
Well, I said kei te pai, so which one?
Kei te pai, good.
Yeah, that we'll accept that. It's good. Kei te pai is good. Great work. Round 2. Shit, you two are very competitive. All right, this is bonus round. Every correct question answer gets 2 points. So it could be a game changer, Michael. You know, if you get this, you're gonna, yeah, okay. Okay, so bonus round. First one is Pounamu.
Toru. Nicholas. Greenstone.
Okay, we'll give it to you. I'll give it to you just for that, right?
That's the English, right? That's Nicholas.
No,
Greenstone.
A greenstone, yeah.
Yeah.
There's multiple when I was looking it up,
And
but
we'll just go with
with greenstone as a winner, yeah. All right, cool. Next one. Wharepaku.
Toru. Toilet.
Holy! And I think you're winning like a landslide. Next one. Tamariki.
Tahi.
I think you got it, yeah.
Children.
Good stuff.
I know the answers, I just not say the word.
It's too fast.
It's all good, folks. He's new way in. Next one. Tahi.
Tahi. One.
That was like a mind. I was like,
All right, next one. Ko wai toki ingoa.
Tahi.
I think it was you.
how are you?
Incorrect.
Oh, what is your name? Sorry, can I have that?
You already said the wrong one.
Okay.
Did you try and you're already winning. God.
I don't know what she said.
No. Ko wai toki ingoa is what is my name?
What is mine?
Yeah, there. Here we go. Last one for this round is very hard. Taonga.
Tahi.
I think it's you.
Treasure.
Good work. I think you win by a landslide. Congratulations to Vanessa. I didn't even need the people at the back to do that. Yeah. Have you got any words of you since you're a winner, got anything to say to the people?
We're all winners.
Wow.
We're all winners at the end of the day.
Yeah, cool. All right. Well, congratulations to all our contestants and thank you for playing. Do you know your Te Reo? Good efforts there, bro. Yeah. Good work.
Te